Hi everyone, my name is Rita and I'm the compounding pharmacist here at HB Pharmacy. Today we're going to be discussing how to use your MD or metered dose pump device. When you receive your metered dose or MD pump from our pharmacy, you'll receive what looks like this. This is our 30-gram size of our MD metered dose pumps. On average, depending on how the doctor wrote the prescription, this will last patients roughly 1 month or so. It all varies, but usually you'll see here on the label that your directions are written on here exactly as such. Apply 1 pump, 1 milliliter to the skin once daily. This one indicates that for every 1 pump that you are going to use from our metered dose, it is already preset to dispense 1 milliliter of cream. So you can also verify that based on the top part, it says 1 milliliter. So these pumps are really great because there's no thinking involved. You can just do 1 pump and be rest assured that that is your 1 milliliter dose of cream. We also have different tops. We also have a 0.5 milliliter and a 0.25 milliliter, which depending on what your doctor prefers, we will make that adjustment for you. Upon application, you can safely do 1 pump, and that's about 1 milliliter of cream. So when applying the cream, it's really important to go ahead and select the proper areas. You're going to see that 1 milliliter of cream is a good amount of cream. You're going to need a generous area in order to ensure proper absorption when you're rubbing this in for a period of time, roughly 2 to 3 minutes is what I recommend to patients. For this one specifically, usually most hormone cream bases, you're going to have to apply it either to a non-hairy, thin area for best absorption. My recommendation is either on the inner forearm or your inner thigh. Those areas are for best absorption, and they provide a good amount of surface area for you to rub the product in really thoroughly. Again, the recommended amount is about 2 to 3 minutes until it's fully dissolved. You can see that I've only been doing it for a short amount of time, and there's still a good amount of cream to dissolve on there. So it's really important that you do this so that there's no transference to other people, and also to make sure that you're getting the full benefit of your cream. Please do also make sure that when you are applying the cream to any area, you're selecting the proper time of day to do so. After showers in the morning when your skin is dry is the best time, and if you're doing it at night, just make sure you're giving yourself enough time to allow the cream to fully dry before entering into bed with your partner, for example, so that there's no contact transference there. Once you're done applying your cream, you can go ahead and pop the top back on it and safely store it. The proper storage conditions for a cream like this involve a dry, cool area, no direct exposure to sunlight or any type of humidity. You want the cream to be free of any type of moisture. If you have any questions regarding storage or just your prescription in general, feel free to contact us at HB Pharmacy. Our number and text line will be linked below for you.